How to fix blocked by Robots.txt on Shopify. So if you just open Google's Search Console and saw this scary warning called blocked by Robots.txt or indexed though blocked, don't panic. In most cases, this is just a good thing because Shopify is doing its job. Today, we are going to clear up this confusion and look at exactly how to find and fix the real errors in your theme code. Alright, and first we need to check which URLs Google is actually complaining about. So just head over to your Google Search Console. So then you just open up Pages in the indexing menu and click onto the Robots.txt report to export your affected links. Then you look closely at the URLs. If the blog pages start with /cart, checkout, admin, orders, something like that, do not touch them. Shopify intentionally blocks search engines from crawling these pages, so you don't waste your crawl budget on secure customer checkout areas. However, if you see your actual homepage, main collection pages, or key product URLs in that blocked list, this is a real issue. So the issue happens because a third-party SEO app or a developer accidentally wrote a bad rule. Alright, and to fix those critical pages, we need to access your theme's backend. So on Shopify, go to Online Store, select Themes, then you go 3 dots right over here, and then click Edit Code. In the left-hand sidebar search bar, or maybe in the top, wherever you have it, type Robots. Let me have this page load. Type in Robots here. Sorry, wrong language. Okay, and also if you can't find this, if you don't see it, look under the Templates folder. Click Add a new template, select Robots from the dropdown, and hit the Generate robots.txt.liquid. And also, do not delete the default Shopify liquid code in this file. Replacing it with a plain copy-pasted text is a bad idea because you'll miss out on Shopify's automatic SEO updates. So that is it. Once your code is saved, jump right back into Google Search Console, click on the warning, and hit Validate Fix. Enjoy the fix, guys. Hopefully this helps, and thank you for watching.